many of you are afraid of sales or selling? How many of you got scared when you heard the word sales? Your heartbeat increases. You start precipitating, shivering. You had goosebumps when you do sales. That means you're frightened, you're scared of sales. Yes, many of us are in that. So if you are also one of them who are scared and afraid of sales, then this video is for you. To get the complete tips, requesting please watch the full video till the end. I'll be sharing you some tips and tricks how to make sales a fun. Before that, let me introduce myself. I am Rohit Kashyap, a sales growth expert with 25 years of proven experience in selling field. I help top MNCs and business owners to earn profit by winning high value deals. So as I told you, many people are scared of what is sales? What is sales? They are frightened. No, I can do any kind of a job in the world, but don't give me sales. I hate. Why they hate sales is not because they don't want to do it. The biggest reason is they haven't learned the process of selling. And that's why they are most scared and afraid about sales. Now remember those days when the first time you start bicycling it. Remember those days when you were young, first time you start cycling, what happened? You were new to it, you don't know, you start riding and what happened? You fall down. And when you fell down, you got hurt. But what happened? Did you give up? No, you didn't. Instead of, you get up and you start riding again. Once, twice, thrice, what happened? You learn the art of riding bicycle. Now you're not only riding but doing acrobatics also on the bicycle, doubling, triple and all that stuff. Remember the days when you start learning a car first time. Bit scary? Yeah. Frightened? Yes. My God, what will happen? Lots of goosebumps. What will happen? Now when the instructor came, he told you, look in front, hold this steering wheel in the middle, look over there, this is a paddle, this is a clutch, here is the gear. Now got confused. What to do fast? Gear or a clutch or a gear or a brake or this. Look it in the front. So much confusion. When you try to change the gears, you're not able to look in the mirror in the front. When you see in the front, not able to change the gear. Huge confusion. But at last what happened? What happened? You mastered the art of driving a car. That's what. Sales is also a learnable skill, which due process and step by step process, if you really learn, you will master the art of sales. So let us start with something basics. Fundamental questions which I always ask during my sessions. In last 25 years, the one basic question which I start, any of my program, I talk, what is sales? Now there are many people have given me very different answers. Obviously, no one have a right definition or a correct definition, or there should not be a correct one. Everybody has their own thinking and their opinions. So some of my participants told me, Rohit, sales is a transaction between a seller and a buyer in return of goods and service, and they get money out of it. Fine. Okay. Some said to me, selling is convincing to the customer. Correct. Some told me, no, sales is fulfilling the requirement of your customers. Okay, you are also right. Some said, not only fulfilling the requirement, but satisfying customers. Fine. Some said, no, Rohit, it's not only satisfying, but sustaining, retaining customers is also part. I totally agree with all of you. All are technically correct. All are technically correct. But the definition which is very close to my heart, which is always remember, and I always tell my participant, what is sales? Sales is a transfer of enthusiasm from seller to the buyer. Remember what I said? Sales is a transfer of enthusiasm from seller to the buyer. Now the question is, who transferred that enthusiasm? Whomsoever is more enthusiastic and able to transfer takes the lead. Now, enthusiasm is very important. It is the excitement, it is the energy and the passion in you. How you meet, greet, talk to your buyer, and then you influence them. And that is what sales is all about. You see, this word enthusiasm comes from a Greek word called enthusia. Enthus means God is within you. Now remember this. When God is within you, how can you be less enthusiastic, less excited? You can't be. So as a salesperson, if you are not excited, if you are not enthusiastic, it becomes very tough for you to sell. Now enthusiasm, excitement does not mean you start jumping and bumping over there. No, it's not like that. Enthusiasm means the depth of your knowledge. And the way you meet and greet. Do you love to meet and greet people? Are you just doing for sake of doing? Then it becomes tough. So sales is transfer of enthusiasm from seller to the buyer. I hope you enjoyed this video. So if you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel Resilient Rohit. So because once you subscribe, you will get the notification for our upcoming videos. See you in the next video. Till then, cheers. Sharing is caring.